Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Google syncing on the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. And now you want to go and select where it says You and Google on the left side. And on the right side where it says Sync and Google Services, go ahead and select that. So if you're currently signed in or synced up to Chrome, you can just select that and then unsync. And you can also unselect the option to allow Chrome sign in right there. And you would have to relaunch Chrome in order to save that change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.